Yo, what is up, everyone on YouTube? It is your boy Amber Scott Kicks, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe down below, leave a like and a comment. Much appreciated. Thank you for all the love and support. Let's try to grow this channel as much as possible. I know it's a slow process. A buddy of mine, made a YouTube channel probably like a year or two back, and he's already got over 200,000 subscribers. But he does totally different content than me. He does like gold mining and stuff like that, and he's even been featured on like you know popular pages on like Facebook and stuff and Instagram. But yeah, that off to the side. Today I have on my Aimé Leon Dore hoodie. I fucking love this hoodie. It is, I believe, 12-ounce French terry cotton or something like that. It is super cozy, super comfy, fits really nice and like if you're looking for that kind of loose, baggy fit, like that kind of oversized fit. I don't honestly like the color orange, yellow, or green. Green, the only time I can wear it is like, if it's like a forest green or olive green. Otherwise, I've never been able to pull off the colors. Um, I'm mostly red, black, gray, navy blue, whatever stuff like that. But it's a really nice fitting hoodie. A lot of people pronounce the name differently. This brand's really starting to take off. It's from New York. It's up there with like the likes of like Off White and stuff like that. Some people call it Aimé Leon Dore, some call it Aimé Leon Dore, some call it Ame Leon Dore, some call it Ame Leon Dore, whatever way you want to say it. But they really are starting to get popular because they did really dope collabs with like New Balance last year and this year and whatnot. But actually, we're going to. I don't want to get sidetracked. I don't want to be off topic. I got another box in the mail yesterday. It is another sneaker collab. Yeah, but definitely I recommend these hoodies. Their brand is dope. If you're looking for very minimum like branding, very minimalistic clothes, but they're really comfy, they're high end, high quality, and they're really cozy and whatnot. This is probably one of the best fitting hoodies I've had in a while. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely unbox this right now. Um, it I believe it's from Foot Locker. I can check, or it could be from the Closet Inc. But got my today we switched it up. No letter opener. We went with a Swiss Army knife, and yeah, let's get into it. See what is in this package. These things are a pain in the ass to get open sometimes. Sorry for the wait, but yeah, I'm gonna carve it open right now and see what it is. I was gonna unbox these yesterday, but I was exhausted. I worked a long shift at work, got off late, so oh, I think I have an idea what these are. So it's not a piece of clothing. I do have a Jordan hoodie on the way from the Closet Inc. Shout out the Closet Inc. Much love. Hope you guys sponsor someday. Same with Foot Locker Canada, but yeah, here it is. Fucking there we go. Now this is my first ever time owning this pair of shoes. I've never bought this pair of shoes ever, but for fuck's sake, get out! Come on. All right, off to the side. Here we are. The red and white Nike box. Now you guys may be wondering what pair of shoes is this? Now this is a pair of Air Max 1s. I've never owned a pair. I have tried on Air Max 1s before. I personally prefer the Air Max 90 over the Air Max 1. It's just when I wear Air Max 1s, they pinch my foot like on the kind of like next to where your arch is, like on the inside and the outside part of my foot. It squeezes it in my true size, even if I go up half a size. I prefer to go true to size in Air Maxes. I got these from the Closet Inc. These just released like maybe a couple months back, but I managed to score them on sale. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want them still. They only have a size 8 and an 8.5 men's left. I fit a 9.5 in all Air Maxes, so I went with a 9.5. These are called Nike Air Max 1 Premiums, and the colorway is called Lemonade Pine Green. Now, if you guys are familiar, you guys may have an idea what these are. They came out with the lemonades, they came out with the strawberries, and I think they also released, it was the lime colored ones that are like green, but oof. They're so nice in person. Now, I was able to get these for a pretty good price. They were $185 plus tax, brand new. But I got these for $129. In hand, now I've heard mixed opinions about these online, mixed thoughts. You know, some people are talking crap about them. Some are saying that they're good. I love how they did like a green air unit on them. The Nike Air unit comes with three extra sets of laces if you want, whatever your preference is. They come with green as your standard, but they have yellow, they have white, and then they have this like dope like green and white striped pair. They have a lemon on the tongue with the Nike logo in it in green. They got a patent leather yellow swoosh. The quality's really nice. The whole upper of the shoe says Air all over it in white and yellow. They didn't do the Nike swoosh on the heel this time. They did Air, because apparently it's released back in the day, like maybe like early 2000s or maybe back in the 90s, I don't know. But yeah, like they did the Air in green like that. The insole also has lemons on it. It has a black outsole. Now I have tried on Air Max 1s before. They are comfy, but it's just my feet don't really like them that much. They prefer Air Max 90s usually. Even when I wear Air Max 90s, my feet are kind of like, you know, picky with them sometimes. But from what people have told me, that is Air Max 1s, of course, being the first Air Max shoe to ever have the visible unit on it, they're really popular with sneakerheads and sneaker collectors. And, you know, it kind of is upsetting that I see all these sneaker resellers, like young teenage kids these days, and they don't care for the retros. They don't care for the classics. They don't know anything about them. They don't show any interest in them. They only care about Yeezys and whatnot, or they're just looking to make a quick dollar. Now, see, I'm not one of them. I'm a 90s kid. I grew up in the 90s and, you know, and the 2000s. And, you know, I got into sneakers late, but I appreciate all sneakers. Like, I'm not big on Yeezys personally because I feel like their market's kind of dead now. Like, they kind of killed the market. But let's not get carried away. Personally, the video is all about these. I fucking love these. I think these are really nice. I got these for $129. Taxes then came to like $146 or wherever it was with shipping. But yeah, I'm not sure if I should keep them. I'm not sure if I should sell them. I'm a bit stuck. Personally, yellow's not my color at all. But if you are trying to flex or like make a bit of a statement, definitely. I had tried on these ones in I can't remember what they were called. I just found a pair of Champs in my hometown in Fulham for only $80. The last pair left was my size, 9.5. But when I put them on, they were squeezing my foot on the side right here and on the inside part right here. It was very uncomfortable. I didn't buy them, but then I ended up seeing a bunch of people wearing them afterwards, and I was like, "Fuck! I should have bought those." Like, you know, for $80 you can't go wrong. But hopefully these are more comfortable. I'm a dead stock these. Might throw them up for sale, see if someone's interested in buying them. If someone's not interested, I'll pull them out and I will start rocking them myself. I've never seen a shoe with 3 different sets of laces offered, but what the hell? If they don't sell, I'm gonna make them my personal pair, and I definitely will wear them. I know they're loud, but like, you know, I don't own anything yellow to go with them. But it says they have white midsole and a black outsole. I could definitely wear. I own a lot of white. I own a lot of black, so I could definitely wear some black clothes with it or black jeans or something. But yeah. Hopefully that's my thumbnail right there. Much love. Take care, guys. This is going up right now. Please make sure to keep supporting, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until later, guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you all. Peace. Bye. I'm in. I'm out. Take care.